I've been folding paper airplanes for 50 years now. I started when I was about 8 years old, and it's just a passion of mine. One of the goals for this trip was to give kids, in a very practical, hands-on way, an introduction to fluid dynamics and aerodynamics just using paper airplanes. I love how things fly. I love the idea that all these different things fly, from seeds that spin and get dispersed in the wind, to insects, to birds, to full-size planes. They all have this way of slipping the bounds of gravity for just a little bit, and they all have different ways of doing that. And each way is unique and interesting on its own. And to me, paper airplanes are just a way into that world, the world of flight. Where you can create something out of a really modest material, paper that people are throwing away by the tons. You can repurpose that, turn it into a flying machine, and learn something about the nature of flight, how flight works, how you can make it function, how you can control it. So it's just a 2-inch wide strip of paper. One long edge is bent down, one long edge is bent up. That makes it tumble. There's a crease down the middle to help it hold its shape. And then one end is up and one end is down to help it go in a straight line. It's kind of magic to take a piece of paper and you're balancing that paper with gravity and with air and turning it into a purposeful toy, a flying machine. And to me, there's still something miraculous about that. Every time I do it, it's just fun and it's interesting, and it's a real pleasure to pass on that passion to kids, get them excited about it. See if you can find the center of gravity on this plane. It's really fun when you can just give kids some building blocks and just turn them loose and just let them figure it out for themselves. They don't need much of a hint. The kids are pretty smart, and it's places like Agastya that really bring that out in kids. It gets close to stall phase from being tilted up too much. The little wing, since it's tilted up more, stalls first. That drops the nose down and keeps the main wing from stalling. My favorite part is when the kids will start really playing with the planes and making the planes do what they want them to do. And so they're really getting the basic concepts of how to control the paper airplane. And control surfaces on a paper airplane very similar to control surfaces on full-size planes. So this has been a rare treat visiting Agastya. It's been a fantastic journey, meeting the kids, having a little fun playing with paper airplanes, and letting the kids know a little bit about science. It's been really rewarding for me, and I think it's been rewarding for the kids too. They're leaving with smiles on their faces, and that always makes me happy. I think that's really the essence of what Agastya is about, is giving kids a hands-on approach to something that seems complicated, boiling it down and making it simple, and giving them something concrete to take with them. So I'm very, very proud to be a part of that.